This time we're supposed to find the derivative of a sum. We have the sum of three terms, okay? So derivative of a sum is the sum of the derivatives. So what I'm supposed to do, I'm supposed to find the derivative of each single term in my function. Okay, so what I'm supposed to do? Simply write dy over dx is equal derivative of 4x cubed over dx plus the derivative of 2x squared over dx plus the derivative of 10 over dx. Okay, so I have dy over dx is equal. Now we're supposed to find the derivative of each single term in my original function. So what I'm going to do right now, I'm going to use the formula for the derivative of a constant times the power of x. So I'm going to write 4 times the exponent, okay, constant, times the exponent, and I'm supposed to copy down x, and I have x, okay, raised to power 3. I'm supposed to write n minus 1, so I have 3 minus 1 plus the derivative of 2x squared. Constant comes down, and we have times the exponent, okay, my exponent is 2, and I have x, and I have n minus 1, exponent minus 1, so I have 2 minus 1, plus the derivative of the constant, okay, so I have derivative of constant is equal 0, so derivative of 10 is equal 0, and I'm going to obtain 4 times 3 is equal 12x to the second power plus 2 times 2 is 4 x to the first power plus 0, okay? So we can say that this is equal 12x squared plus 4x, and this is the solution to my problem.